How to fix verification code not received on iPhone. If you are not receiving a verification code on your iPhone, then you can try these fixes. First of all, check your internet connection. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to the control panel and ensure your iPhone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Also, you can try switching to mobile data if you are on Wi-Fi and you don't have the stable network connected on your Wi-Fi. Now, once done so, go back to the home screen and try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Once restarted, go back to your home screen again. And once done so, all you have to do is tap on the settings app available on your iPhone. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside the general, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option available there. Once you tap on it, tap on the reset option available there. Then tap on the reset all settings or reset network settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.